Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have Happy Mail, Hug in a Box. This is from Tracy and Ina Powell, and I am so excited to get it. What I wanted to point out is, and I say this quite often, it's not just the gift inside. Someone bought this for you or made this for you when you get a Happy Mail. Then they packed it up and paid postage. And as you can see, postage just keeps going up. So let's open this and see what I got. I am always excited to get Happy Mail. I don't know if you watch Ina's channel. She's the Dainty Seamstress. She is amazing. She was a professional seamstress. I did not know that until Darren and I had the spring event with the 1/6 dolls. Ina was a guest speaker, and we learned a lot about her, and she used to model also. She's really a beautiful girl. And her mother is Tracy, and Tracy collects Barbies, and I mean cool Barbies. And Ina shows those on her channel. So, as well as Ina's own dolls, Ina has a lot of Rainbow High comes to mind. Blythe dolls, they both have gorgeous, gorgeous dolls. So, oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I see John Deere.
Yeah.
John Deere.
Our lawnmower is a John Deere.
Yeah. I ride it 2 times a week from April through October usually. This year we didn't mow as much. It got pretty dry here, and I did not mind. I'll bet this is something for you.
That's so pretty.
I'm going to set it down and then I'll switch the camera. Okay. Oh, wow. Speaking of Rainbow High, I love Rainbow High. I have a large collection of Rainbow High dolls. I don't want to mess up that box. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Oh, I love these dolls. Sunny Madison, and she has her, it looks like PJs. Let's see. Yep, PJ Party. How cute is that? And she has the little slippers and the hair. Oh, this is cute. I'm a box collector, and until I decide if I want to take her out or keep her in the box, I'm going to keep her in the box. And I cannot thank you enough. The Rainbow High are such beautiful dolls. Their faces are so nice. They're articulated. They have nice hair once you get the stiff stuff out, they're fun to play with, to sew for, to set up. They're made for play. They are a play line doll that collectors absolutely love. Okay, Darren, I'm going to take the camera.
It looks like it's got some microphones for a little karaoke and.
Oh, sure enough. And that is so cute.
I'm not really sure what that blue thing there is.
That's what I was wondering. I thought maybe a
disco bulb.
Oh, of course. How
and
cute.
And little slippers.
They're going to have a good time at that sleepover. I can't thank you enough, Tracy and Ina. What fun. Here, I'll just switch the camera. You want to move that up, forward, and let's see what you did get. What? They are so thoughtful.
Whoa, it's a John Deere
wow.
wallet.
And Darren, wow. You don't know this, but Darren needs a new wallet desperately. I was already thinking Christmas I was going to get him one. That looks really nice.
That is nice. Thank you very much. How cool. A little John Deere
very
logo
cool.
On it.
Go by and see Ina's channel. I'm going to link it in the description. And I'm also going to link in Tracy's channel. Go ahead and subscribe to her. She and Ina kind of work together on Ina's channel, but subscribe to Tracy anyway. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and forgive me for the camera focus, and subscribe.
Thank you.